पटाखा पटाखा मिर्ची नींद दिलदा पटाखा
ओ मैं गया जी बच के।
Hey everyone, we have with us Sutapa, who is a poet, author and a publishing consultant. She is known for her mesmerizing retelling of historical figures. She was the 2016 first prize winner of the Times of India's Right India campaign for Amish Tripathi. Her book, The Curse of Nader Shah, is a powerful, fictitious retelling of the exploits of the formidable conqueror. She won the Best Fiction and Popular Choice Award for her book, The Curse of Nader Shah, in the first edition of the GK Paper Author Awards in association with the Times of India. The objective of the Author Awards is to encourage and recognize women authors and celebrate the art of writing. In conversation with Sutapa Basu. So Sutapa, how does it feel to have been recognized on a platform created for women authors?
It feels wonderful because it's a validation of my worth as an author. All the challenges that I have faced while writing this book and even other books have all been vindicated by this award. And it has encouraged me to keep writing whatever it takes to do so.
What are your views on the Author Awards as an initiative?
I believe Author Awards is a path-breaking initiative, and I think it's the first such literature award in India. By joining hands to institute these Author Awards for women authors, JK Papers and the Times of India have announced to readers, reviewers and publishers how significantly women authors have been contributing to the world of literature. Honoring them with this award declares a firm belief in the genius of women authors who have overcome all challenges to write and publish books that are literary milestones. I'm looking forward to the winners of Author Awards 2021.
Being a female writer yourself, do you believe that struggles that you faced need to be heard and can make up a good story to bring change in a society?
Well, I certainly believe that all my struggles need to be heard. And let me mention a few of them. I have always found it a challenge to find time and mental space to write. For example, when I was writing The Curse of Nader Shah that won the award, I was at the same time involved in caring for my convalescent daughter and her newborn twins. I could hardly find time to write. And even though my publisher Readomania was very gracious and accommodating, I found it very, very difficult. And I would usually write maybe early in the morning or late at night. And I think most women do that because that is their me time when they are free from their other duties. If all this is my story, this story is not just about me, but it is about all women writers who have had to adapt to these negative circumstances, overcome all these challenges, and keep writing prolifically, in fact. And I believe it is the time that the world gave them and their writing the importance and reverence that they deserve. And throughout everything, all biases that block their engagement with readers on all global issues. Women are not just capable of writing all genres, they write them equally well as their male peers and sometimes possibly better.
Sutapa, what inspires you to write? In the end, some words of encouragement for our budding women writers or those women who are struggling to take a big step to follow their passion.
Of course, there is the passion to write, but more than that, I'm inspired by a burning desire to tell my story because it's definitely worth telling. And what I want to say has a lot of value. I'm most inspired when people read my books and find them so interesting that they want to discuss about them. I realize then that people are listening to me and they are pondering on my words. Nothing is more inspiring than reader engagement, and that is what keeps me writing. To all the women who aspire to become authors, I just have a few things to say. Read extensively while you write, because reading and writing go hand in hand. Write books in the genre that you love reading. Rewrite and edit your work until you're satisfied with it. Never give your first draft to anybody to read. And finally, take up your writing as a career. It's not a hobby, it's serious business.